We out. Shout out to BuddyClassics also for this interview, bro. We out.
BuddyClassics, man. CJ on 32s. Gang.
Hey, BuddyClassics, thank you again very much for having me on your platform. Shout out to BuddyClassics.
And man, love to BuddyClassics, man. Nothing but love, baby. Hey, nothing but love.
Hey, y'all can see all this right here on BuddyClassics, man.
All right, man. Y'all know what it is. It's your boy CJ on 32s checking in at the 2025 Rick Ross Car Show. And I came out here real light. I brought my custom 300 Hellcat, and I brought my custom wide body track hawk out here. I just always liked them when I was young. I used to have racetracks and all that shit. Used to look in the back of the lowrider books, and it was just, I always liked them when I was little, bro. Take your time, build your car for you. When you in competition, you end up spending more money. And if you lose, you be disappointed. So it's a passion, bro. You got to have a passion for it. And the people like the vision. They say I got a good vision. So it's people like you, bro. Come up, talk to me, interested in the car. More for the people now. BuddyClassics, man. CJ on 32s. Gang shit.
All right, I'm here with BuddyClassics, man.
Big Wit 64 with BuddyClassics 64, baby. We did this. Rick Ross, baby, we out.
BuddyClassics.
I brought my wide body track on. We just came out and really enjoyed the show.